What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's tutorial I will be showing you guys how to hydrate your hair using the aloe vera plant gel. And if you want to see how that's done, keep on watching. So what you'll need for this tutorial is, of course, the aloe vera plant, a knife, a cutting board, and you also need a comb and maybe some hair clips. So here I just started off by cutting the plant into small sections so that it's easy to put onto my hair. And cutting this is kind of hard. You have to really focus, first of all, so you don't cut yourself, and second of all, so you don't cut too much into the gel, and it can get really sticky and slimy. It's pretty cool though. So now I'm just sectioning off my hair. I did this on I don't know, maybe a week old wash and go. I hadn't washed my hair, done anything to it maybe in 3 or 4 days, so it's pretty tangled. I didn't even comb it out before I put the gel on it. I just sectioned it off and then began to apply the plant straight onto my hair. You probably may want to comb your hair out if it's really tangled, but either way, once you put the gel on, it gives you a lot of slip, so it shouldn't be an issue detangling it. As you can see, I was super amazed by the gel. I love slimy things. I know it's kind of weird, but I just thought it was so cool that this plant produced the gel like that. As you can see, once you break down the gel, it is really slimy and the chunks get everywhere. So just make sure you be careful not to get it all over your floor, because when you squeeze out the gel, the chunks will start going everywhere. But it's definitely worth it. Your hair feels so hydrated and your curls are so succulent after you put this in your hair. It's amazing. So as you saw in the beginning of this video, I started off with a whole aloe vera plant, and I actually ended up using almost the whole plant. I had a small chunk left when I was done. Although my hair is short, it's fairly thick, so I ended up using a lot of the gel in the plant. So once I was done applying the gel throughout my hair, I just went back through and made sure it was combed out and I didn't have any knots or tangles in my hair. And I put it in a big bun once I was done, and I let it sit in my hair for about 30 minutes, and then I just washed it out and went through with my normal wash and go routine. If you see my wash and go video, you know that I use the lock method, which is leave-in, oil, and conditioner. Although this time I skipped the oil part and just did a leave-in and conditioner. Sometimes when I do oil, when I add oil to my wash and go routine, my hair can get frizzy, just depending on how much I use. So I just left out the oil this time. So to achieve these curls, I used the Mixed Chicks shampoo, the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner, and the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace!